Here's the puppies. They're playing in the grass. Hey boys! This one is Hayes Cooper. He's the boy with the teeny tiny dot of white on his chest. He is pretty outgoing. He's playful, likes to explore, check stuff out. And then this other one, it's this first one here that he's petting. That one is Mellow Mike. He's more laid back, easygoing, likes to snuggle, more your couch potato type. That one there's Hayes Cooper that he's petting. Yeah, he's going to explore. Come here, buddy. Come on. Good boy. This is Mellow Mike.
Oh, the horse is going to check him out.
Oh. Come here, buddy. He wants to play with the horses. Come on, boys.
The grass may be too tall for him here. Come here. Come on, boys.
That's Mellow Mike there in the back. And Hayes Cooper in the front. There goes Hayes Cooper bouncing. We got Mellow Mike here. All right, there's the boys.